Alrighty, this is part 3 of the Virtual Museum Development Diary. This is probably the portion that I will use as an introduction to what this project is in my classroom. So to kind of briefly go over what this is I'm a social studies teacher, and the intent of this project is to build a virtual museum of the Industrial Revolution. We're going to be running it in Unreal Engine 4, which, thanks to the battle between Epic Games and Steam, is available for use, which is immensely helpful. Now, to the students who are going to be working in this project, you are going to have an empty museum, a completely empty museum to work with. And your goal is to, well, fill it. Each of you will have a small role, but your goal will be to take this empty museum and fill it with all kinds of things, like inventions of the Industrial Revolution, inventors and tycoons. You're going to be conducting research on different aspects of the Industrial Revolution and exploring the subject. There's different wings to this facility. Like, here's an example panel of the suspension bridge that I had tested last spring. But what we have here is an entire world for you to fill with information. This will be the inventor's wing. As you can see, it's empty right now, but soon you'll be putting together biography posters to fill this wing. Additionally, the other wing that we have constructed right now, it's got a bit more in it at the moment. Let's just go over to it. But as you can see, we've got another wing too, and this is where business tycoons and their businesses, this is where their profiles will be detailed. Students will be using a variety of materials to carry out this project. Microsoft Word is what the panels will be put into in a standard template. They'll be using the internet, library resources to conduct the research. Additionally, they will have access to Microsoft Teams for coordinating the project and uploading and sharing documents between each other. Skill-wise, you'll be doing all kinds of things, doing research, citing resources, writing and editing for a particular audience, following templates, all in an attempt to create a rigorous, standardized product that can be held at a high standard. Museum quality archival work. So, in any case, to the students who will be working on this project, welcome aboard.